In today's video, we're doing a DoorDash ride along. I do this part-time for a little bit of extra money, and I'm taking you guys with to show you how much I earn. I got a shift from about 1 to 6:30, and we'll see how much we can make. Let's go. Just got my first order from a burger joint. I'm on my way right now to the location, about to pick up that bag. Just got the food, didn't take too long, and the customer lives right in town, so we're on the way. So I just dropped that order off, and it was in a business complex, but luckily in the order notes he told me what the building number was and stuff, and I was able to find it pretty quickly. So I'm actually on my way out of here right now. Normally I wouldn't take low offers, but I've been sitting around doing nothing. I actually ate the lunch I brought with. I went to the restroom. I got this $3 offer from Starbucks, so I took it. So I just got the Starbucks order. It didn't take too long. There wasn't a big line or nothing. I had to order it and pay with the red card, but we got it. We're heading to the customer's house. We're on our way out of here. I just dropped the coffee off and sandwich. There we go. Right as I was recording the video, I got a $12 order for a Thai restaurant, so we are on our way. So I just got the bag from the Thai restaurant, and it smelled good in there. But luckily, I ate some food earlier. I packed a lunch. I just got done dropping off that Thai food, and we are back on the road again. Just got a Walmart order, and normally I wouldn't have taken it because it's a little far for the amount that they're paying. But lately, when I've been taking Walmart orders, I've noticed that the customer usually leaves a $5 tip. So I'm gonna take a gamble on it and see what happens. So we are at Walmart right now waiting for the order. Well, it actually didn't take that long to get the groceries. I was the only one there waiting, so we got it and we're on our way. Just got done dropping off those groceries. It was really easy drop off, and I'm actually heading back to the hotspot right now. So that was a pretty decent amount for money wise, but did you guys see the miles on that? I definitely did not want to do that, especially since, you know, when you're driving that far with somebody's food, it compromises the freshness of the food, and if they get cold food, they're going to be mad. They're going to give you a bad rating. So I tend to stay away from long trips like that, unless it's like a grocery order or something like that. Then I don't mind taking a little bit of a trip. But so I just got a China City order. It's a little far, but I'm just gonna take it because I don't feel like waiting any longer. But it's a lot closer than the other ones, so let's go get it. So I just got done dropping that food off, and we're in a new area now. I like this area. It's kind of nice. Well, that didn't take too long. I got another order. It's kind of far again, but whatever. I'm gonna do it anyways.
What can I get you today?
Yeah, can I have a sour cream and chive baked potato?
Okay.
Small fry.
Alright.
Large chili.
Cheese or onion?
No, just regular.
Okay.
And small chili.
Is that gonna be it?
That's it.
$9.29, thank you.
Just got the Wenders. We're on our way to the customer's house. Drop this bag off. All right, I just dropped that Wenders off, and we are going to start heading towards the hotspot again. Well, it's like 4:42 right now, and it is like super slow. But I mean, it is a Thursday, and we are in the suburbs, so it'd be a lot different if you were like in a city, major city in your area, in your market. You see a lot more orders back to back, and you might be able to even pick the ones you like the most. But for me and the area that I'm in right now, this is the reality that you have to deal with. But you know, every market will be different. So we just got a Mickey D's order. It's not too much, but it's not too far either, and there's nothing going on, so I took it. So we just got the McDonald's. It took forever, but we got it, and we're going to the customer's house right now. We just dropped the McDonald's off and I got another Wendy's. So we're on our way there right now. And it's kind of, I'm just gonna do it, I don't care. So I don't want to be buying any Wendy's, so we're gonna turn on the back burner right now. Cook up some beef jerky. Give it about 5 minutes each side. Be nice and warm, tastes good. And I got a big ass line now. Good, how are you? Can I get 2 double stacks? And can I also get a spicy chicken sandwich combo?
Alright, what size?
Medium. Coca-Cola.
Alright, anything else?
That'd be it, man.
Alright,
Thanks. So I just got the food and the customer's like 10 minutes from my locale. So we just got done dropping that Wendy's off and guess what? Oh, $5. So don't judge every order. You never know when you're gonna get a cash tip. All right, we just got another Wendy's offer, so we're actually heading back to the same Wendy's. Oh, so that last Wendy's order was a complete nightmare. I had 2 large or medium drinks and they're so top heavy, and I should have got 2 cup holders because it was kind of wobbly and I had it on the seat. I was kind of holding it and I had to use my other hand, and they both, Coke and Sprite, tipped over. Thank God the lids didn't come off. I would have been screwed. It would have got all over my seat too, and I would have had to go back and get them fixed. But thank God they didn't spill. The caps were still on, so I was able to put the pops back in the drink holder and no problems. We dropped it off. I think I'm gonna call it after that. So I'm gonna display my earnings for today. I got like 67 whatever and a $5 tip. But the most important thing was after the dash, I was on a live stream with one of my good friends and I actually hit 1,000 subs. So I'm gonna play that right now.
Show my boy some love. Please. Show him some love. Let's hop over here to my computer screen real quick. Slide over here and check out my boy Money Farm Tech's YouTube channel. He needs 1 more subscriber to get up to 1,000. He's worked really, really hard on this channel, and I understand some of the hurdles, the ups and downs he had to go through. But I enjoy watching his content and watching his videos, man. Money Farm, shout out to you, man. There it is. 1K. You just hit it right here in my live stream, Money Farm Tech. You just hit 1K. You see it? There it is, bro. What y'all think about that?
Thank you guys so much for staying to the end of the video. Please give SF734 Visuals and Anyone Can Do This a subscribe and hit that bell. They both do money making topics just like I do. And stay tuned for videos by me on DoorDash or any type of money making videos. With that, thank you for staying to the end. Have a great day. See you on the next one.